Joe, can I have your Jenny?
Jemez Mountains, Bandelier area, White Rock, all seem to be burning. You can see flames popping up down in the lower left, but I don't know if the phone will pick it up. But it's pretty insane. I mean, look at this. There's some perspective. Those are the Jemez Mountains, about 40 miles away are the Sangre de Cristo Mountains, which are over here burning. Hey, how you doing? Oh. Yeah, that's Jess. Visiting us from New York with John. God, there's a lot of people out checking this out. But so, unbelievable smoke. Talking about cheeseburgers. Cheeseburger. Having some fancy champagne. Watching the fire. I mean, there's the San Diaz. Boom. Like, they've evacuated the caldera and Jemez Falls, I think. But crazy shit.